Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and I'm standing in front of one beautiful little 65 Mustang Fastback. There's a 302 under the hood. It's a 5-speed, beautiful interior. You're gonna love the restoration on this car. Previous owners have owned this baby for 27 years. It's an amazing ride, and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll get it up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna take a look at the 302. It's actually got a 3-deuce setup on it. We're gonna look at the interior, inside the trunk. We'll show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Mustang investment. So come on up and let's fire this baby up. All right, check this beauty out, man. The red paint is popping and it is smooth as can be. The bodywork on the car is phenomenal. You see all the chrome up here looks great. The pony looks like it's brand new. That chrome on the front bumper is beautiful. When you look down the side of it, she's straight as can be. We got the torque thrust wheels on it, looking great. The GT emblem, the Mustang emblems, the stripes down here, the door lines up nice. The gap is nice and straight. The stainless looks good. Door handle looks like it's new. Door operates nice and smooth. Look at these door jambs, all nicely painted here. It looks like it's got a brand new latch in it. The door panel itself's in beautiful shape. You see it's got the Shelby style steering wheel on it. It's got the 2-pack of gauges there right on the steering column. The gauges in the dash, all the chrome there looks good. The dash pad itself's in beautiful shape. You see the factory appearing center console there, and that's a 5-speed shifter in there, guys. Now it's got some aftermarket seats in it. Great looking race car seat belt in there also. Fold down back seat. All the trim and everything around the back window there looks great. The headliner's in beautiful shape. Just a hot little car here, guys. Quarter as straight as can be. Chrome on the back bumper looks good. The chrome on the tail lights looks good. The GT on the gas fill also looks like it's brand new. And look inside the trunk here. We got a big old stereo inside here. Everything you need right there, guys. All the paintwork here looks phenomenal. The paintwork on the bottom side of the deck lid looks good. Looks like the latch here on the deck lid is also new. When you look down the side here, beautiful. Look how that door lines up. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this Mustang. Right now we've got about 235 cars in stock and we own every one of them. We're bringing in 40 new cars every month and I'm involved in buying every one of those guys. So that puts my 35 years of experience to work for you, parking your dream in your drive. All right, we're in this little Mustang now, and this is a little badass. Listen to this thing, man. It is an amazing machine. Now, it's wet outside, so we don't want to drive this beauty right now, so we're going to do the video right here. Horns working, the Shelby wheel looking awesome. Power steering feels good. We've got the tank working here. This is a clock. Speedo works, all the gauges. It's got the blowers working. The shifter is looking cool. Now, personal preference, I think I'd put a longer handle on this. But that's personal preference and real easy to do. 2 bolts come out here, longer handle, you're all done. This is an amazing machine, guys, and we can park it in your dream, in your driveway, anywhere in the world. Just call Tom at 248-974-9513. And if you need help with financing, we got you covered there too. We got 2 or 3 bankers we're working with right now. 15-minute phone call and this dream is all yours. Now, we'd love to have you come visit, check this car out. We're here on Saturdays. We're only 20 minutes from the airport. come on out. We'd love to have you. We're always getting new inventory in. Now stick with us because we're gonna put it on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna get under the hood, take a look at that 3-deuce setup. We're gonna look at those AFR heads on there. This thing is amazing, guys. You're gonna love it. Stick with us. All right, we're underneath this 65 now, and she is pretty. You can see they got the exhaust coming out through the tail panel here. Beautiful job. Brand new pipes there. Those are 2.5 inch. Brand new shackles on the spring. Drop downs look good. Trunk floor looks good. Frame members look good. Tank's brand new. We got our fuel pump mounted right here, and we got a brand new rear end housing. That's got right around a 350 gear in here. It is posi. Brand new U-bolts. We got drop shims in here to get this thing a nice stance. Willwood brakes. Those are disc. It does have a parking brake setup. It's got traction bars on it. Looks like Flowmaster mufflers. Looks like a brand new yoke, brand new U-joint, and it looks like a, well, they've got a real nice paint job on the drive shaft. That may be the original shaft. Floorboards look original to the car, and they look great. Pinch weld looks good. Frame looks great. Frame looks good up here also. We've got a T5 transmission here. That's a 5-speed, guys. It does have a hydraulic clutch. The headers have been blacked out. It does have power steering. This is factory appearing power steering. It's got the slave cylinder and then the control cylinder here. Big old pan. It's got an aftermarket cross member, aftermarket lower control arms, aftermarket radius arms, aftermarket sway bar. Willwood brakes up front here too. Looks like brand new ball joints up here too. Everything about the car is nice. Bottom side of the radiator's nice and clean. We do have serpentine belt setup on it here. Looks like the balancer's brand new. Just an amazing ride, guys. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got torque thrust wheels. I got the flat caps, they look good. And looky there, Willwood. We got 205 65 or 14s up front, and that lip there on the front fender looks good. You always want to check this bottom lip too. I always feel around back here. All I feel is smooth metal, and the pinch weld's beautiful. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, let's see what size we got. 215 60 15s in the rear. Same good looking wheel, and looky there, same good looking brakes back here too. Look at that, they still got the weep hole here for letting the moisture out. That's beautiful. And that pinch weld, look at those spot welds right there. This is one beautiful car, guys. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got 302 power with AFR aluminum heads. Looks like a Edelbrock intake there. It does have a 3-deuce setup on it. It is Demon carburetors, guys. Polished up alternator, aluminum water pump. It's got an aftermarket late model power steering pump with a serpentine belt setup. Polished up radiator. We got our fuel filter mounted there. That's the fuel regulator there. The coil's mounted over there real smart. We got a crossbar here for the shock towers, and they get some aftermarket braces here also for the shock towers. Firewall looks nice. Check out that race car brake setup there. They got the dual masters, one for the front, one for the back, and then that little dealio right there, that's the for the slave cylinder for that hydraulic clutch. Paintwork on the bottom side of the hood looks great. I tell you, I'd take this car anywhere, enter it in any show. You're gonna be winning ribbons, you're gonna be winning trophies. It's an amazing machine. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.